Hello, I'm Pilot Daniel Okwara. This is how I made a fighter jet with cardboard paper. My son Prosper wanted a jet for a presentation in school, and then he demanded I make one or buy one. I think I choose to make one. Somehow my wife got a video of how one is made, but there was so much folding of papers, I don't know, multiple foldings. I just had to improvise. Instead of using the paper, I got cardboard card and did a lot of cuttings, and I had my jet made. Just follow me and see how I made, and then maybe you can do for your little boy. Learn to give them time, just like I'm giving time to Prosper, Precious, praise God. And I want to believe they are going to be very happy with this when they see it. I look forward to seeing them when they receive this jet from me as they come back from school today. Don't forget to follow, like, comment, and of course subscribe depending on platform you're viewing from.
This is not what I meant.
Oh my God. Say thank you, but this is not what I meant. How do you want it?
Like I'll put this side of the jet on my head, the wings on my hands, then the legs. You just put tubes. Understand?
That's more like a transformer.
Yes!
I can't do that.
Don't worry. I'll help you tomorrow.